Hello friends, today we will learn how to take your Tesla in the autopilot mode. So there is this lever that you see on the right hand side. If I press it twice, you see these two blue lines, and that means that we are now in autopilot. So now the car will follow the lane, and I need to put my hands on the steering wheel uh, and keep my eyes focused on the road, but the Tesla will drive itself. So this is the basic autopilot, and if you want to get out of autopilot, you just press the brake button or the brake on your Tesla, and it will get out of autopilot. So again, it's fairly straightforward. Just press it twice, and the important point is you can control the speed with your wheels on Tesla Model 3, and it will maintain the distance with the vehicle in the front, so it will automatically brake and speed up as needed. Okay friends, this is a quick 101 on how to get your Tesla into autopilot mode. Thank you, and have a good day.